Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I recently purchased this eye candy watercolor kit from the brand OHUHU, and in this video we will see the review and the color swatches. So let's begin. This is not a sponsored review and I have purchased this set on Amazon for Rs 779, but the prices and discounts might vary from time to time. The watercolor kit comes in a cardboard box like this. Inside the box, we have 48 vibrant watercolor cakes, 6 different brushes, and 2 swatch cards. The brushes are numbered 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. The 2 swatch cards contain 24 slots each and are made of watercolor paper. The watercolor box has a transparent lid with 48 compartments that can be used as a palette to mix colors. It can be detached from the tray at the hinges and used separately. The plastic is too flimsy and we need to handle it with care. The box has a slot to store the brushes and it can hold up to 2 brushes. Here are the watercolor cakes. I noticed that there was a small crack in the black color, but the rest of the colors were fine. Now let's start swatching them. I'm using brush number 6 from the kit. I'm a complete beginner in watercolor and this is my very first set. So please excuse my brush handling skills as I'm still learning. By the way, I love how the colors are opaque and dry up soon. Here are the complete swatches, and aren't they lovely? Overall, I'm satisfied with the purchase and eagerly waiting to use them in my journal. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to my channel. See you soon in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.